Pretty.
When I first saw this little songbird out my window, I thought for sure it was something exotic, probably migrating up from Mexico. Turned out to be just the opposite. This is the common house sparrow, found everywhere, but mostly in cities. So no wonder I hardly ever see them. They are migrants, though, from Europe, introduced to this country, Central Park specifically, in 1850. And it's not really a sparrow at all, but belongs to the weaver finch family of birds that build huge oversized nests. This cute little thing will also kill other birds' babies in order to take over a nesting cavity. They eat insects and seeds. These are males, this one in non-breeding season, so no dark chest plumage yet. The females are a drab brown.
This is house sparrows, I think.
Yes, a whole flock of them in my hackberry bush. I thought it would be nice to catch just one and keep it forever. I guess this portrait will have to do.